People love their swags and they're always asking us what they can do to get the best out of them. So here's a few tips. First tip is your swags love to be machine washed and they're built to last. So don't be afraid to machine wash them every 2 weeks, or they will go a little bit longer, to even 4 weeks or longer, but ideally every 2 weeks, give them a wash. The swag is 100% natural. So it loves soap berries or a plant-based detergent, but if you're using a harsher detergent, simply pour your swags out after the machine wash, douse them in white cleaning vinegar and put them on an extra rinse cycle, and the vinegar takes away all the nasties. Second tip is when you're about to wash your swags, turn them inside out and get all those little veggie crumbs that hide in the corners of your swag. Leave them inside out as well, because that's how you're going to wash them. By looking after your swags, they'll last so much longer. They'll last years. So this one is actually over 3 years old. So it's one of my originals and it's still going strong and working incredibly well. There's natural staining, but I care for it. So it's a natural product, you must care for it, and it will last for years.